In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate thinkorswim. We'll take this step by step, ensuring you understand each part of the process clearly. So, let's get started. First, open your browser. This is your gateway to accessing the Schwab website. Make sure your internet connection is stable, as a good connection will prevent any disruptions. Once your browser is open, navigate to the Schwab website. Next, sign into your Schwab account. Enter your username and password carefully. This is crucial because it protects your account from unauthorized access. If your details are correct, you should seamlessly access your account. Remember, keeping your login information secure is essential. After you're logged in, look for the Trade tab on the dashboard. Click on it. This takes you to the Trading section where you can manage your investments. From there, click on Trading Platforms. This option allows you to explore different platforms available for trading. Now, click on Enable Trading on thinkorswim. This action initiates the process of activating the platform for your account. It's an important step because it sets the stage for all your future trading activities on thinkorswim. Once you've clicked, you'll need to select the account you want to activate. This is important because it ensures you are enabling the platform for the right account. Double-check your selection to avoid any confusion later. Next up is reviewing the terms and conditions. Take your time to read through them carefully. Understanding these terms is crucial as they outline the agreement between you and Schwab. After reviewing, if everything looks good, go ahead and click Submit. This step officially sends your request for activation. You will see a confirmation appear which assures you that your request has been received. Now, wait for the activation to complete. This might take a few moments, so be patient. Once activated, you will receive a notification confirming that the process is complete. This confirmation is your cue to proceed to the next part. With that ready, open the thinkorswim platform on your device. This is the tool you'll use for trading. The interface should load up once opened. Then select Schwab as the account provider. This ensures that your trading activities are linked to your Schwab account. Enter your Schwab login ID and password on the thinkorswim login screen. Make sure to input these details correctly to avoid login issues. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you might be prompted to complete it. This is an added security measure to keep your account safe. Finally, click Login. This action signs you into thinkorswim, linking your trading activities with your Schwab account. Once logged in, you can start exploring all the features that thinkorswim offers for a seamless trading experience. And there you have it. You've successfully activated thinkorswim for your Schwab account. This setup allows you to engage in trading with an advanced platform designed for both new and experienced traders. Thank you for following along. Feel confident in knowing that you've set up a powerful tool for your trading journey.